Lower the volume, and in this tutorial we will see how can we make a website which you place class username and add some data about it. Something similar to Splash tags, and we are going to be using it, making it using next.js and tailwind.css with the help of Flash ED, which was developed by the Flash user left by the Flash user that one left. And this list I will link down her profile and the API that am going to be using. So we are going to be using the user information get API, and like see this is the response. We are going to get it and format it on the website. So to get started, we are going to create a new Next.js application. So I have opened my Git Bash terminal and I'm going to type npm npx create next app at later to create the task. I'm going to enter and it is going to create a new project. I'm going to call it flat user uh, class hyphen info. Then I won't be using TypeScript and I am not going to be using a string. It looks a little bit weird since I am using Git Bash today. Then yes, I'm going to be using tailwind.css and yes, I would like an directory. And I don't want app locker and I don't want to customize anything. Now it's installing other dependencies that that we are going to be needing to get started. Then I'm going to install Axios, which we are going to use to fetch the data and uh, make the the API, get the data from it and show it to the user. Now I'm going to use CD to navigate inside class and the return. I'm going to inside a new empty GitLab repository and it has already initialized for me. And after the tutorial, I'm going to publish it to my GitHub account. Then I can start uh, by typing code to open it, but because this is Git path, it is unable to determine it, so I'm going to need to open this inside the text. So let's enter my Axios source or Axios. Then in the current way, I'm going to open the palette on my other clean. Okay. So going to go and open my Lawler. Little Hill, I'm just going to terminal. Didn't feel comfortable using the other one. Then I'm just going to go to code and little I have opened code successfully. I can close out of the other terminal little. Then now I can just go and open this code again. And now I can just uh, start with code and timeline there inside the later window terminal. Then I can just go to now it will open for me a new yeah new thing. I'm going to get started by uh, getting rid of other things as the page layer, the turn. Then I'm going to get started by creating a new layer component. But first, I will need to import layer. For the turn, import layer, and I want to export a default function with the name of Apple and a name for the function, and this function will return the page. So going to return the we are going to get started by with the main container inside of it section, and also we are going to need a use case. So I am going to import a use case, and here I'm going to launch cons and create a simple use case. So data data it could be a use case with an object. This object would be allowing for and loading to since by default I want it to be loading, then I will need to just get an API which currently like can just minimize this for now. Now we can get started with the first content part. So the first thing I want a simple box which have an input which you are going to type in the class user class name. So I'm going to add an if statement and data dot lower the loading, which is by default set to do. Then I'm going to here do something else. And now I'm just setting it null, but I'm going to get back to it and add other things. Now here, going to a book section, and this section will have two things, two main components. The input, which will be the input the user enter the username in it, and a button. And optionally, you can add a label here to tell to the user what he should type. So for example, we say hi, your last user name, for example, and here we can set something like type to a text and a placeholder of a username of, for example, user. And then the inside the button I'm going to see uh, also I need a font. Another to say to make the button be disabled if for some reason don't work. The database, the input is empty or valid, something like that. So yeah, disabled and then disabled. And then and then would be a root case which by default will be equal to 2. And I want to apply disable and here we can add here disabled. So now if disabled it won't be clickable. So now yeah, and now it's had you're importing a client component, but because I am using the app group, I need to define that it is a client. So what we can do is simply go here, then let's above the import, let's type use slide filters and this should fix it. And now the filters and now they should not clickable. There's no styling yet, but we are going to add some styling to perfect that later on the later on. So now I need to uh, make the function for the button and for the for the button I'm going to say on uh, on play going to call submit which will be a synchronous function for submit. So function is equal to uh, and just make the alert of submit following. So if you submitted it, it will make an alert. And because now currently it's disabled when you click it, nothing. But if you said uh, this should be false, now it will do it. So if you click it, it will say submit and you have submit. So by default, it will be. So now let's just uh, focus on the input. So on blur, uh, so here I want it to be like red if we didn't. So we are going through the world and finally this will be the color all the input it will be a height and by default it will be a part and this here we can just add something for example on unblur and unblur means when you select that I want it to run quick function setting the alert to pass but I wanted to change to make to have some a function. So we want to get the parameter that is being passed. And I'm going to open here a synchronous function and I'm going to check if it is empty. So if e dot target value equally for being empty, going to set the alert with blue and the tap is able to. And you can set we don't need the alert because there are both set the same thing, but there will be a difference when we come to the styling. I want also an L. This else will be set to alert. Let's go. Set alert. I'm going to set it to be false. Then I'm going to also set the disable the false. Well, and now we can get started with the styling of this. The first thing I need to get done is just to clear all these things here, just delete out this import. Like you can see now, this is what it looks currently. Going to add a class name for each of the elements. So the main will have a with 100 W and then 8 of 1 8 slash 100 VA to make it look like I need a flat and I can transfer and specify center and so now it's but yeah here we can color and it is now in the center which is what we want. Then in this section I'm going to create that name for example or very rounded as this or just rounded and the video for example say 300 and the padding of 2 of 5 pixel and maybe add a heading of that username. So, for example, the title of the project and maybe a class name text like simple, simple and a text like the shell, for example. Like you could see this is it. It's looking good, but we need some minor edits. For example, here I need to add this. So I want it to be a BR and I want the input to uh, have um, so I need to add a class name and this class name will have the brackets. So first allow if I want to add something called border slash 500 and I think class so the and what is target is the border slash 2. Now if we just set one reason is first whatever. We can just get rid of these for now. We can do it in another video and just add the default timing. I need a model lay and example with black. So you can see that maybe a little bit around it. Maybe a has a Z. So with you can see that looks good. Now it's time for the curve. For the curve, we need to add. So I need to add a with full and a louder. Looks louder. It's also loud. It's also a padding from the top and from the bottom side. Few five, let's say five. So until then now I can just uh, we need to do the end for the black. So for example, from yellow, let's say this yellow. Oh, yellow. No, we got this thing. Now this should be empty, not padding, but on the until the padding, let's say P and the color maybe or text, but I think this one is not really good. So let's set it to 80. In her now it's little bit, but I want it if it is disabled to have a video. Let's put it in here, able. So, like you can see this when it's not when nothing happens with here. I needed to have an on and this on thing will be here. Then we are going to the chat if a dot target at value equal to the start point with the set disable to but I want an else set disable. So now by default it is yeah. But when you change it to a username, it colors and you can click. When you go out, it is like this, and this is what you want. Now you can add a vowel effect. Uh, so for example, I want to add a hover effect that will switch the linear so hover the who and yeah. Hello, that's under the person does something that fly you don't need to do it so come hello because now it's a type here like because it should be for some reason yeah because it's just the same. This should be the two and this should be from. So this is my fault. So little and now looks good and now we need to actually get into the thing. So I'm going to make it into the unsubmit uh, part. But I want this to change a little bit. I need to make the input value which to font input and select file. It could be input nothing. Here I need to start var. It does I get the value. That's how I'm going to find the value of 4.3. Now here we can start by importing here. So import axial. So this should be an asynchronous function. And I'm going to be creating font data holiday since date holiday yes. This equals to away. This away would be active inside of the set of cat. I'm going to pass it null, which is a constantly going to create. Once you are equal to the thing, by the way, the API that we want that. So I'm going to just pass this uh, here. And the reason why I use these uh, like these current thing because I can pass it from valuable like yeah I can pass it from valuable here and I'm going to pass it input and this is why we the created the input thing and we're going to be console with the the data this and let's test it out. So a valid according to this a valid one is glyphar which is optimized that. So when you go you should console login going to the inspector to see if it's implemented here. And I think yeah, little yeah, this is the data and we got it. Got it. And now it's time to set it and use this data to make it visible. So here I'm going to just comment out this and I'm going to uh, but first I need to configure the method using name if which is an invalid username to be what I get back if I touch it and so data. Okay, so this is an invalid. So I'm going to list lot. So that's why they try and upload them. So try and pass statement by all over try to alert. I'm going to this have here to have the data to be something. So, I'm going to the copy out other in I'm going to the loading to be false, alert to be true. And let us set, let us see one for example. One is not valid. So if I switch with um, I come back badly or a bad fast and I'm going to just use this data to create the other. So here, just going to open this and I'm going to just uh, just say uh, so they have the priority. If I take this, I'm going to do something. I'm going to do something. And now this will be the I'm thinking for this. I want to copy this. Really, I need button, but here going to just button A to run user not um, like hello Linux. You can customize it last name was Texas, led 100 political and lead just like someone else. Like you can see now it's filled, but now I need to add something else here. So here, this way would be called tie back, for example, back. Let's hit um, do something. And here, I'm going to the set it all, like totally shut it up and just copy the default info. And I'm going to just with all the info. Now, if I get the one little sound, if I click on back, it will give me a. But if I enter a collection, this app should, uh, wait, nothing will happen since didn't add anything to be appear, but it will work. So this is why nothing has been changed. Need to add this data, and I'm going to just get rid of this. Set the alert to be false, and the API will be the standing for data. Now we can get onto creating the profile. So for the profile, I'm going to add um, like a component. Yeah. So for example, I am going to make it like a list of properties or the properties inside it. I do test out. I'm going to open the API inside the developer browser. So going to a new tab and just pasting the API, passing it a thing like list pass list. And now I can just add all of this and pass it into the thing. So I'm going to, for example, just have the name. I'm going to just make the um, another list. Like, file, palette. Now I'll do this OLOL here. Going to the create the I'm going to pass in the username, the join date, country, bio, data, now so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So safely that. So the times was created manually. So the 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and delete it. Now I can just pass in other people, for example. To the name, I'm going to pass the data, the thing so data dot API dot username. So now if I go here to test it and pass in list, uh, so username, but it's empty for some reason. Let's just see why. User name. And let's console.log console log the put this or console.log. Let if we of and just pass it to be fast again. Because, well, but some reason it is still empty. So and it's an object collect and I don't know why I say none. So yeah, because here I need to access data date the now if I pass it do something like that. So the little now it is working and I can just omit this for now and let us finish by making the other screen. Joined, it will be data.api joined, data.io join. Let's just say join date and the bio will be data.api.file. Yeah, and work. So word. And this will be also data API dot work and also probably data so after going to just pattern data dot stat for now. Data dot API statically dot API dot status. And what left? Continue, sorry, continue. So here okay, packet address dot API dot complete little and we can add the other thing later on. Now if we look click back first, like you can see we got this, but then this is but it's low. So what we can do is set a max response. Here, going to set a max with um, what's it? 50%. Now it the we can just for security just pass it into the other container. And here the bio like you can see it is it is weird. So I need to convert it into command. So what we can do is that the bio will be will be uh, the like, bio and yeah will be a verb and this the something called dangerous key and handle. Dangerously set a well which is what we are calling you now. So now let's put pattern the paths. Yeah, so now it needs to be underscore underscore HTML, then underscore underscore HTML. I think this is what should be if I let the message collectively over pass until and the third. But first, and now this is it is good, but for the word I needed to paste the same for the word. Copy and I'm going to just paste it inside the other. This will be work. Let's get rid of this and this will be deleted and now it's looking fantastic what we but we need a search again, find another little button. So going to just copy the button that we just created in the other section, the back button, and just going to paste it here. And I can just say to be find another. You would user, for example, and little it looking fantastic, and you quickly can find the engine. Let's I add but I will in my username class just little like you could see it's working and it's fantastic. But the date is not formatted. Really, we need to format and to fix this LLM to this date and format it, we need to head back over to this part. And I'm going to just add. So here I need to modify here. This data data I, which will be on data I is going to be equal to call it. There's another way to do it, and it's by just editing it right here. So do that. I'm just going to put it in a new class in the new date class. Then got that uh, clear. So let's just accessors. to say for some reason now it was blank. Still because it should be there. Now it is blank. Then and also here could be the data and forgot to liver it, and now it should be liver. Hi Adam, the past I like fiction. When they funny, but we need also yeah, e- e- year, like the month and the date, and stuff. It, I'm just going to do it like this for now. Uh, so this that month, month, I need to that the month. Now if I just say, don't stop. But the month it is not provided. So the best we can do is just make it like learn it 2020 and this is the project and this is how you can use the class BB API. Those who you can add something thing thing like that. The other thing and if you would like to get a username that is not fine. So and another username one, for example, could say a little username pound, and this is how you can use the API to say this. And also, if you are interested in seeing how I am going to convert this web application into a browser extension, so you can find slash users just by clicking a browser extension similar to this and just typing the info here and getting it back. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video since I am going to create this extension with you in the next video. See you soon. Goodbye.